Hi guys, it's Miss Bay. We are ready to do our reading. We are still working on fact and opinion today, so I want you to go ahead and look at the learning target. It says, I can support an opinion with facts. So we're going to use those facts today to support our own opinions. In order to do that, we're going to analyze the text. We're going to use an exemplar, and we're also going to write that opinion piece. So yesterday we talked about this text, and the very first thing we did was we found the facts. Okay, so I went through and in yellow, I highlighted all the facts that I saw were things that we could prove to be true or false. Then we thought about what the opinion is. I want you to think for a second what the opinion of this text was. We found it just like the main idea, that first sentence of the paragraph. One of the best writers ever is J.K. Rowling. That's an opinion, okay? Not everybody is going to feel that she is the best writer ever, and there is no way to prove that. What do you judge on? How many books were sold? How many people like them? So this opinion that we found, we had to support it with facts to maybe try to convince other people. We couldn't use all the facts that we had found when we first analyzed. We had to really think about which facts are going to support that idea. And we highlighted those in purple. We made sure it all connected. So you're going to do something similar today. I'm going to show you a really great example that's an exemplar. Remember, we use exemplars to think about how we are going to write, the best way that we need to write to make sure we get all of our points. On the next slide, there's going to be an article from Newsella. You may pause and read it there, or it's going to be on the Google form. I'm not going to read this to you. I'm going to give you a chance to read it. This was written by Ethan Joseph, who is a fourth grader in Connecticut. So he wrote this on his opinion that Android phones are a better buy than iPhones. This is just his opinion, but he uses facts in here to support that opinion. And then the next thing you're going to do is write about your opinion. I'm going to go over this slide before I go to the form. So we are asking the question, just as it says at the title, is texting ruining your writing? I want you to write paragraphs using facts that are in here to support your opinion. If you just tell me yes or no, you didn't do the job that Katie and Gabriel did yesterday. So let's look at the form for today. Remember your email address to make sure that you type that in just the right way so I can give you your feedback. After you watch the video, here is the exemplar. Don't forget that you can zoom in to read. I want you to find only 2 facts in this exemplar. You only have to find 2 that support the opinion that's right in the title, that Android phones are a better buy than iPhones. This is for Lily and Giselle and Nehemiah and everybody else who always gives me a hard time for having an Android instead of an iPhone. So read this and figure out some good reasons why I might have one. Then, once you've used that exemplar to say, okay, I see how they used facts to support that opinion, you can do it on your own. This is the full article, the facts that are given here, and 2 different people's opinions. I want you to use that as well as the exemplar to help you write 3 paragraphs using facts from the text to support your opinion if texting is ruining your writing. I'm not going to grade on a yes or a no and whether your answer is right. I'm going to be looking for those facts that support your opinion. Just like Katie used facts to say yes, it is, and Gabriel used facts to say no, it isn't. Okay? If you need to look at the exemplar to figure out how you might want to set it up, this is a really great example of a 4th grader's writing. Put your answer here, and then you'll click submit here, and we will be ready to move on from fact and opinion next week.